the latest and greatest scam to get it in the pockets of these hopeful new insurance agents who for the most part are going to go broke going into this business of selling insurance, selling life insurance in particular. The latest and greatest scam is they bring you in, they hold your hand, they tell you you're going to be a millionaire, which ain't going to happen for 99.99% of the people. In fact, 99.99% of the people won't even make an average American salary after 2 years. They say it takes time, but it's not going to happen for over 99% of the people coming in. Fact is, you go into this business, they tell you, hey, we know what we're doing, we'll make sure you'll make money. It's not going to happen. They're going to encourage you to empty out your bank account, giving them money to buy leads. These are leads that will be sold to you, they'll be sold to someone else. In order to get people to buy leads, you have to get people excited that they're going to make money. And that's exactly what these companies do. They get you excited, and you buy the leads, then they say, hey, you want to move up the tier, you want to get a higher commission level, you got to do a lot of sales. Easiest way to do a sale is to bring up those numbers, is to build a team. How do you get a team? You recruit people just like you, people that worked at Walmart, people that were Uber drivers, maybe assistant managers at the local fast food restaurant. These people come in, they will buy leads, they will maybe make a sale or two. If they do over 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 a month through this team, you'll move up a tier level. Fact is, you are responsible for the advance commission for the loans on those commissions. It's the immediate upline who's the guarantor of the loan. So if you're wondering why there's so much wanting you to build a team, that is the reason. They want you to guarantee loan. Would you really want to guarantee loans of someone who has a 95% chance of not staying in this business after a couple of years? These people are assistant managers at McDonald's and Wendy's. They go back to being assistant managers, but in the meantime, they may figure out, hey, they could sell their relatives a couple of policies, collect one payment, collect that advance commission, and they have a nice day. A lot of these people are a little bit pissed off. They're a little bit upset that they were convinced to get into this business, went sort of broke buying leads. So these are not happy campers. So it's not unheard of to be leaving debts of $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, $10,000. In fact, I'm at naaip.org. I do have a video conference called 6 days a week. That's Monday to Thursday, 12 noon Eastern time, Saturday, Sunday, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I do hear these stories. People tell me specifically what happens. They're not happy about it. For the most part, they leave the business because if you're bringing in a couple $100 a month of income, suddenly you have a $10,000 debt based on someone that you recruited. It really kills the whole your desire to stay in this business. So fall for one of those guaranteeing downline advanced commission scams, and you do manage to bring a couple $100 a month of income in before you get nailed for $10,000, you would be pretty pissed off yourself, and you may decide to do that to your upline. This is the most prevalent scam in the business for new insurance agents. They want to get you excited about building a team. It's one of the worst ideas out there. You don't know what you're doing. You're not making money. Suddenly you're going to bring someone in who has no idea what they're doing, even less than you, and you're guaranteeing their loans. You'll give me a break. There is a proper way to sell insurance. It's not that way. These companies want you to buy leads. They want you to recruit people. They want you to guarantee loans. And they want you to go back to what you were doing a year or two later, and you'll most likely be much worse off than when you started. Please do yourself a favor. There are people making money in the financial sales industry, but it's not these lead-selling IMOs that want you to recruit, and they want you to sell these really small policies to poor people. Imagine you wake up in the morning and say, hey, I've got a financial service sales license, and my desire is to sell financial products to poor people. That doesn't seem like from the book of good ideas. I do appreciate you all coming here today. As I mentioned, I do have that 6-day per week video conference call. The next one is Saturday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern time. Whatever I can do to help out. But in the meantime, definitely realize if you ever decide to succeed or having a fighting chance to succeed in the financial sales industry, coming across as an impressive individual is paramount. And NAAIP.org, we offer free websites, free quote engines at the highest quality levels. We help you move up the search engine. It's all free. The reason we're doing this is obvious. We want to be default tool of anyone in the financial sales industry. In order for that to be accomplished, you have to offer pretty high quality stuff, and you also have to be offering good value, and you have to be completely in the best interest of people in the industry, which is very unlike these lead selling IMOs that want you to empty out your bank accounts buying leads and risk yourself recruiting nobodies who will, there's a decent chance they'll cause you to empty out your bank account based on you guaranteeing their loans. I do wish you all a terrific rest of the day.